Sometimes those consequences cause us more work. I can appreciate that. But sometimes those consequences teach people valuable lessons. So, over servicing insurance accounts. This is one of the things that leads to a ton of stress inside of an insurance agency. And I want to break down my philosophy on how we need to look at accounts. I have 28 insurance policies between health, life, disability, commercial, personal, you name it, we got it, right? And I look at it like at an agency, I should get 28 units of service because that's how many policies I have. Now, sometimes my brother has one policy. So when he calls in, he should get one unit of service. So I should get 28 times the amount of service because I purchased 28 times the amount of insurance. And yes, you can go through the details of the premium, etc. This is just a very baseline example I use. Now, however, in 5 years, I needed one certificate and we made one vehicle change. We did purchase some new things which added to the policy count, not counting those, just simply talking about service. In that same 5 years, how many times would you need to call my brother to make his payment? He had 3 deer hits. One of his vehicles caught on fire. You know, he's constantly swapping out 20-year-old used vehicles on policies. And ultimately, between the amounts that you have to remind him to pay, follow up, him calling about why it went up, late fees, all of this, he probably got my 28 units of service in 1 year, and I got his 1 unit of service. And this is killing the team. So when we see our team running around stressed, overwhelmed, clogged, I want us all to take a second to think, like, what can we do about the time vampire clients? We might relocate them to the competition and let them burn their resources. We need to put parameters up in our agency standards, like this is how many times someone's allowed to lapse. Everybody's tried to put on EFT or pay in full. People have to have consequences. And one of the biggest stressors that I see is that we're like helicopter parents with our clients trying to clear out consequences for our clientele. Now, sometimes those consequences cause us more work. I can appreciate that. But sometimes those consequences teach people valuable lessons. So if our team is running around stress, we have to think about how do we service our accounts? And this is where you can have everybody service the same. I pay my bills. I don't have to go into those silly committees. But when you look at what you're doing for clients, are you loading the process to make your process around these reasonable clients or your best favorite clients? Now, all the time I'll hear, well, I don't have time to make renewal review calls. Well, if you have time to call my brother 28 times a year about his payment issues, of course you don't have time to call me about renewal review. And that is one of the things that is strangling our teams today. So try to make sure your processes and procedures and your agency standards are around your best clients so you don't over-service clients.